First thing, the inner awakening, especially now the way the program is offered, literally awakens the God particle in you. Now, especially after this Nityanandoham process added, with this beautiful method of completion and through completion cleaning up cleaning up the muscle memory and opening your possibilities, and through the Shivoham process cleaning up your biomemory and opening the powers and ultimately awakening the God particle, bioenergy in you, the Kundalini Shakti, and flooding that Kundalini Shakti into your biomemory and muscle memory. The whole inner awakening has reached to its next higher level. I can say its perfection, its completion through the Nityanandoham process. You should attend the inner awakening now, because it is the inner awakening. It has reached its completion. I can say inner awakening itself has reached its completion with this Nityanandoham process. Completion cleans up muscle memory. Shivoham process cleans up biomemory. The Nityanandoham process awakens your bioenergy. Completion itself has reached its completion with the Nityanandoham process. All I can tell you, see, actually I am not a person who can market or promote something. With all my integrity, I can say it's really worth trying at least once, then you will understand. And you will never feel you wasted your time or money or your energy. That much I can guarantee you. That much I can guarantee you. Actually, with this new combination of completion, Shivoham process, Nityanandoham process, I can comfortably tell you at least one spiritual power will start expressing through you, which will be useful for you in your day-to-day life, strengthens and enriches you in your everyday life. And it's the program. At least on the planet Earth, this is the most powerful spiritual program available now.